How to properly customize a Blogger template for Google AdSense. In this tutorial, I will show you how to customize the Ultramag Blogger template. First, search Ultramag Blogger template on Google. Then go to the goyaABItemplates.com website. Then download the free version of the Ultramag Blogger template from here. After downloading the file, extract it. After extracting the zip file, you will get a file named Ultramag Free Version 2.0.xml. Open it in Notepad. Press Ctrl+A from the keyboard to select the entire code. After that, press Ctrl+C to copy it. After coming to the Blogger dashboard, select the Theme option. After that, click on Edit HTML. Press Ctrl+A from the keyboard to select the entire code. Then, clear the entire code. Now, paste the copied code here. After that, click on Save. By clicking on View Blog, we will be able to view our website. To customize the Blogger theme, click on Layout. First, there is Top Navigation. Enter the website URL in the home. Windows+V. Then copy all the page links. Windows+V. Then paste the About US page link. Paste the Contact Us page link. To add a new item, click on Add a new item. Then paste the Privacy Policy page link. Paste the Disclaimer page link. Then click on Save. Then there is Top Social widget. Here you will paste your social media links. While giving the title, the first letter must be lowercase. Click on Save. Then there is the header logo. Upload an image from the computer. Click on Save. Then there is mobile logo. Upload image from computer. Click on Save. Then there is main menu / drop-down / multi drop-down / mega menu. You will give the URL of the website to the home icon. After that, you can paste the various category links of your website here. Copy the category link. Then paste it here. After that, click on Save. Then there are the main posts. For technical SEO, keep the number of posts on the homepage low so that it loads quickly. Click on Save. Next is the Social widget. Here you will add your social media links. Click on Save. Add space, hide it for now. After getting approval from Google AdSense, turn it on. Subscribe us, hide it. Next is the About and Logo section. Upload image from computer. In the caption, write something about the topic you write about on your blog. Click on Save. Next is the Social footer widget. Here you will add your social media links. Click on Save. Next is the Menu footer widget. Here you can add links to important pages on the website. click on Save. Finally, click Save here. By clicking on View Blog, we will be able to see our website. Now I will show you how to edit the copyright section of the footer. For this, first copy the text "Distributed by." After that, click on Theme. Then click on Edit HTML. After clicking anywhere in the code with the mouse cursor, press Ctrl+F from the keyboard. After that, paste the copied text here. Now press Enter on the keyboard. I will paste copyright 2026 in place of "Distributed by." In place of link, I will paste the link of my website homepage. In place of the Guyabi theme, I will give the name of my website. Now click on Save. Now, if I reload the page, I will see the changes.